Hey you, it's Sun Chung from Hungry Gopher. Today, I'm gonna share weight loss tips. This is part one. You've been asking me similar weight loss questions over and over again. So this video will address top three weight loss questions. Number one, I don't know what to eat to lose weight. What food should I stick to? What things to avoid? And what things to emphasize? Well, that's a loaded question. So let's explore that. Some of you know that my health and wellness journey has begun in 2015 due to my eczema challenges. By overcoming my eczema challenges, I actually lost 14 pounds and never saw them again. You can see difference from 2015 to 2017 and how I transformed and lost those last 14 pounds and never saw it again. So from my experience, the foods to avoid, there are core principles there. One thing is to take out highly inflammatory foods. The reason is that the inflammation will hold water in your body because your body is trying to protect you. So when you eat a lot of highly inflammatory foods, you'll retain water. Therefore, it's very difficult for you to lose weight. So if you lower the consumption of a highly inflammatory food, such as gluten and dairy, the inflammation goes down and so is your weight and your belly will shrink. You'll be very surprised. There are many categories of food that raises inflammation. That's one thing that you want to be mindful of. And also when you take out some food, you want to add some food that's nutritious and flavorful. No matter how good or clean the diet is, if it's starving you from the flavors that you enjoy and nutrition, it's just not going to be sustainable. It's that simple. So it has to be tasty, right for your palate, also right for your genetic potential. So those are the basis of it. It's wonderful that I get these questions, but it's way too short of a video to convey what I have learned past 5 years from science, recent science, from my experience of trial and errors. So I got something very special for you guys. So I'm gonna offer you a free fat burning live masterclass. So make sure you sign up for the class at the end of this video. And I don't even know whether I'm gonna even post that masterclass on YouTube video or my blog post. So make sure you sign up, and for more information, visit hungrygopher.com or sign up at the end of this video. The link will be below this video or somewhere here in the video. You can simply sign up with your email address. So going back to what food should you stick to? So that's a really good question. So think about what you enjoy eating, and upgrading is very important. Upgrading the quality. So don't get so fixated on categories of food. From my experience, it's very important to focus on quality of food rather than categories. And it's also important not to obsess about a healthy diet. That's one thing. Obsession is actually not very helpful. The food that you want to emphasize on is nutrient rich, dense, flavorful food. So let's think about it this way. I love eating carbs and I love eating meat, but small portion. I do love steak, so maybe I'll have that every couple of weeks or sometimes once a week, but smaller amount than plate full of meat. So that's one way to do it. And the cooking technique, Korean cooking technique, that you can thinly slice the meat and spread it out, and that way you get satisfaction but eating less amounts of meat, and actually good quality meat if you eat a little because it's so flavorful and it's nutritious. You eat that and you get the satisfaction. So that's one way to think about it. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. And I'm gonna go in depth a lot more to help you to lose weight for year 2021. And this will be something very easy to implement to lose weight at home for your optimal health for year 2021. Make sure you sign up to the free live fat burning masterclass I'm hosting for you. Hopefully I'll see you there. And sign up with your email address with the link below this video. You can also come to my website, hungrygopher.com. Hopefully, I'll see you in the Fat Burning Masterclass. I'm looking forward to seeing you. Bye. Follow the link below this video to sign up for the free live Fat Burning Masterclass. Sign up now with your email address to secure your slot.